My dear students, welcome to my online class. How are you? I hope you all are well. It's Mahim Sultana, Assistant Teacher English, Government Laboratory High School, Rajshahi. And this class is for class 6 to 10 because it's a very important grammar item. So I hope you all need to learn this item. So what can you see in the picture? Here is something written. I am reading it. George Bernard Shaw was born in Dublin in 1856. His father's family had been small land owners in Ireland since the last 17th century. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in November 1950. So, what have you observed? This is capitalization. So, my dear student, my today's lesson is on capitalization, and you know that this is a very important grammar item, and you have to learn it from class 6. So, I have managed to set this class so that you can learn all the rules of capitalization that is important for class 6 to 10. Now, what is capitalization? Here is something written. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. We live in Dhaka. It is an old city. Emperor Jahangir established this city. I hope you can notice some unusual things in these writings. That is, here all the noun and pronouns are written in small letters. So, I hope you could understand what is capitalization. Capitalization means the method of using capital letters. The method of using capital letters. Now we will see what are the methods. Here is rule number 1 for capitalization. The fish curry looks appetizing. The fish curry looks appetizing, and here is written small letter, and here is capital letter. So the first rule is the first letter of the sentence should be capital. The first letter of a sentence should be capital. When you are writing anything, the first letter of the sentence must be in capital letter. Now rule number 2, the music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more. Here you notice that the letter of the two sentences are written in capital letter. So this is another rule, that the first letter of each sentences should be capital in all the English poems. When you write any poem, you must use capital letter in each and every line of the poem. Rule number 3, she is Julie and she likes American burgers. So this is another rule, that the first letter of proper noun and proper adjective must be capital. Here is Julie proper noun and American proper adjective. So this is here is capital letter is used. This is another rules, that is, here are some name of months and the name of 7 days. So the first letter of the month and day will be capital. Next rule, our annual exam will be held on December. The first letter of a term will be capital. The first letter of a term of exam will be capital. The next rule is, you can see here is a picture, and the picture is about the Battle of Polashi. So the first letter of any historical event will be capital. You know, the Battle of Polashi is a very historical event. So any historical event will be in capital. The next rule is, pronoun is used when a pronoun is used as subject, it is written in capital. It must be written in capital. Rule number 8. O Allah, forgive me. He prayed to God and he granted his prayer. This is the rule that first letter of interjection. If you write anything in interjection and God or Allah as naming words, and their pronouns will be capital. So when something is written in interjection, that will be in capital, and when you addressing Allah, that will be in capital letter, and also the pronoun will be in capital letter. Now rules number 9. Abbreviational letter, addressing letters and first letter of quotation must be capital. Here is abbreviational letters BA. You know, Bachelor of Arts is BA. So any abbreviation, when you write any abbreviation, use it in capital letter. And here, my dear mother or sir, the addressing letters must be in capital letter. And here is, he said there is no alternative of mother in the earth. When you write something in quotation, the letters in quotation must be in capital. Here is another rule, rule number 10. Here are some pictures: the Quran, the Delhi Star, the Batali Hill, the Kanchenjunga, the Podda River. So capital letter is used in the first letter of any treatise, newspaper, hill, mountain, river, sea, etc. So all these things will be written in capital letter. And the next rule is, first letter of any institution should be in capital letter. When you write any the name of any educational institution, here is University of Oxford, maybe Government Laboratory High School of Rajshahi, maybe Dhaka University or Rajshahi University. Whatever may be, the first letter of any institution should be in capital letter. Now the next rule, and this is the first rule of any subject read in schools and colleges should be capital. The subject that are reading in any school or colleges, that will be written in capital letters, such as English for today, Bengali literature, etc. And here is another rules, that is capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of a great ship. You know, Titanic was a very great ship, and when you write down the name of any great ship, you have to use the capital letter. Here is Here is another rule. Capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of an express. That is Bangladesh Railway, Biman Bangladesh Airlines, etc. This is another rules, that is capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of any nation. So when you write down the name of any nations, you have to use capital letters such as the Indians, the Americans, the British, etc. And the next rules is capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of religions. When you write down the name of any religion, you have to use capital letters such as the Muslim, the Christian, the Hindus, etc. And here is another rules, and this is the sun shines in the east, he passed his whole life in the east. Normally a small letter is used at the first letter of the word, north, south, east, west, but capital letter is used when they mean region. So when you notice that in the first line the sun rises in the east, that means the direction, but in the second line he passed his whole life in the east, this means the region. So when you use the name of any direction, that is north, south, east and west, as region, then you have to use capital letters. And so my dear students, that's all for today. This was my today's discussion on capitalization. I hope you could understand the subject matter, and I hope you will practice it at home. And if you feel any difficulty, please inform me. I'll make you understand again. That's all for today. Everybody stay safe, stay good. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.